I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign up.
Hi guys, hope mko salama and you've been keeping safe. Welcome back to my channel. Leo, today we want to do some cleaning, a lot of cleaning. So it's going to be the living room. Mostly we're doing the windows and the doors, and also some kupanguza viti because it's a bit dusty right now. Kila mahali saizi kuna vumbi. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to my premium gang. Now penda sana. So asanteni sana, come with me. Even the seats are really dirty. I need to wipe them. Yep. So
we are building a castle. It's you, me, and Picasso. It'll take some time to find the right pieces, but I see the bigger picture. It's on your heart imprinted. How do we go about walking the distance when we grew up having it all in an instant? Special things happen.
I took the seats outside and they were a bit stained, as you can see. Having a kid and having these seats, honestly, you would take a lot to maintain them. It takes a lot to maintain them. So yeah.
Every morning we both try the same, and when a painting is crooked, we gently only push it. We don't take it down. How do we go about walking the distance when we grew up having it all in an instant? Special things happening more than an instant. So how do we go about walking the distance?
All you have to do is use some foam. Please do not use a lot of water because it's going to wet your seats so much and they are going to take a lot of time to dry up. So I was just using foam, and yeah, just foam, and you make sure that you don't use so much water. So at this point, Kayla is helping me, and as you just noticed, she was wiping her face and I didn't realize, honestly. But I will give a disclaimer. Buy this color at your own risk. At your own risk, guys. Kayla, what are you doing?
Washing.
You decided to wash that? I thought we were washing the seats. Okay, let me continue washing my seats then.
Let the feelings fade and numb the pain with someone new who isn't you. Let the feelings fade and numb the pain. Fuck around till you come through.
Talk about you all the time to myself now. I can't tell them you the person that they ask about. Used to sit in silence, thinking with my eyes low. Call me over with a look, mix you up on my iPhone, caught me in a higher zone. These nights be a shame if you stayed alone, and karma be a bitch who just want a bone. I can't even go to bed when the weekend close. Guessing how this shit feels, you ain't even close. I just need my notes, you just need a boast. This the last time I'm sipping just to try to cope, cause it don't fucking work. When I'm faded, shit I do just gon' make it worse.
Let the feelings fade and numb the pain with someone new who isn't you. Let the feelings fade and numb the pain. Fuck around till you come through. Let the feelings fade and numb the pain.
It's extremely dusty at the moment, and the fact that I live near the road makes it even worse. But yeah, you got to clean now and then so that tusipate mahoma juu ya vumbi.
I ain't got no pastime, too much on the line, I ever let the shit pass. I be steady chasing peaks till I flatline. Too much on my mind when it be stuck up on the past. It just cycles through the last time. Stick to routine and keep trying to act fine. Taking L's, oh well, I still get mine. Don't believe in all the hype over bad signs. I ain't going back down, just watch what we gon' do. Always wanting these people who don't want you. Only family who cares and it's tattooed. Always finding myself feeling bashful. The confidence never did come natural. Staying too passive, yeah. I wonder how the grass is, yeah. I've been losing traction, so I'ma just
let the feelings fade and numb the pain with someone new who isn't you. Let the feelings fade and numb the pain. Fuck around till you come through. Let the feelings fade and numb the pain with someone new who isn't you. Let the feelings fade, numb the pain with someone new who isn't you. Let the feelings fade, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Feelings fade, numb the pain with someone new.
Help you. You do like this. That you don't get a lot of water. Go and get another one. Tell us what to give you a tea. Okay? No, you're not doing the job. Let me help you. Go tell Auntie Mercy to give you bread jug. Okay? Are you going? You want to try?
Yeah. Let me try.
Yeah, now you're doing it. Good girl. Try again. That's enough. Come and pour here. Come and pour here, Taylor. Come and pour here. Pour here, baby girl. Yeah. Let me help you.
The way she move that body, I swear I never seen nobody. Get that you want to party, baby, won't you come my way? The way she move that body, get that you want to party. Swear I never seen nobody, maybe up until this day. Beautiful girl, my goddess. The way she built the shawty, but she closed the fortress, baby, don't you be afraid. been through a lot of problems, but now come the time to solve them. So I say don't you worry, I'm gonna treat you right. Baby girl, I don't change, but this ain't the case. Cause when I see your face, just want you back on my grip. I'm telling you it's okay, wanna make you forget all about the best. So just give me a chance, yeah. The way she move that body, I swear I never seen nobody get that you want to party. Baby, won't you come my way? The way she move that body, get that you want to party. I swear I never seen nobody. Baby, up until this day, I come in with the move, with nobody but you. You know I like to grow, and I know you too. Girl, I think about you, straight out of the blue. Don't know what you do that gets me in the mood. If I had to choose, it would always be you. That's the only truth, so just to make it come true. Oh, oh, it's just to make it come true. Baby, why won't you stay? What more can I say? You're my only right way, every night, every day. No, I won't let this fade, I'ma tell you just straight. You're everything I need, so let me be your escape. The way she move that body, I swear I never seen nobody that you want to party. Baby, won't you come my way? The way she move that body, get that you want to party. I swear I never seen nobody, baby, up until this day. I come in with the move, with nobody but you.
The rest of the cleaning I had to do offline, and this is how it turned out. At this point, the seats were outside drying, but yeah, the house was looking good and fresh, and everything was put in order. Comment down below and tell me, did you like how it turned out?
It's a Friday night, turned on all her lights. Ooh, an open window. Hairbrush at her lips, towel hugs her hips. Ooh, she's going out. Slips on her dress, stumbles toward the shower, lives for what feels like an hour, then turns up the song. Just another hopeless, romantic, caffeinated, little dramatic, in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for
Tunaenda Vende.
Vende ni wapi?
Vende ni Vendewa. Tunaenda Vende, watu wa Vende tunakam. Watu wa Vende. Watu wa Vende we are coming. Unajua content yangu ni for sale. I don't give content for free.
Haya, ati umesikia hiyo? Ati he doesn't give content for free. Hey, gosh. Celebrities.
Celebrity gani?
Gosh, Kayla, you're shocked? Gosh. You're shocked?
Your mother wants to take some content from me.
Daddy is saying I need to pay him to
Yes.
show in my video.
Mambo yako ya mahero, hizi ndio mavitu utaweka. Si ukujira hapo kitusubua.
Uliniambia unaninunulia L.
Hero naweza kunatoka 20 bob. Mara naweza kubaia nini? Wedage nayo.
We are going to playground.
Hata kalidika nafaa kuweka hero kwa muoko.
Kumgonga kwa nini? Mbona lileke L kwa mgongo?
Sijue ni siko. Wewe ni rana.
Bado analala.
Wewe ni rana, bado unarana.
Aki Kayla amsikiagi kizunguzungu. Kayla? Sorry? Thank you guys for sticking up to this point. We definitely had fun and I really appreciate you, all the new subscribers, everybody who's been here. I really appreciate your presence, guys. Thank you for watching and until next time, guys. Bye.